What kind of Ford Mustang wheel spacers are best?
When it comes to the best Ford Mustang wheel spacers, always choose the German brand set. In fact, reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A genuine brand user becomes a German brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and the factories only use process that has been proven to be safe. With such Ford Mustang wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your driving with peace of mind. Using high-quality Ford Mustang wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand service impact. In this case, Ford wheel spacers are the priority. High-end wheel spacers are made from Ford 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These Ford Mustang wheel spacers are continuously preset under tons of pressure. This preset eliminates any porosity and shrinkage. The resulting wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more forces without breaking. As a rule of thumb, both on Ford Mustang wheel spacers are safer and more reliable. They are both to the vehicle hub, and the wheels are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of wheel lugs keep the hub-spacer wheel connection strong and stable. Therefore, in addition to the wheel spacers themselves, the strength of the stud and the lug nut is extremely important. To ensure a stable wheel connection, BONOSS both on Ford Mustang wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud. These studs are considered to be the highest quality stud in the car industry. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with SGS and TV certificate. In general, aluminum alloys have good corrosion resistance and are rust-proof. They are resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterpart. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum Ford Mustang wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hot anodizing. A proper hot anodizing ensures complete protection against corrosion. The also dark layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premium appearance, but also turns to be the lightest. This means that anodized Ford Mustang wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.